Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.